In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact to Alibaba. We'll be walking through the process of adding a new phone contact to your Alibaba account, starting from the home page and ending with the confirmation step. This is a useful update if you want to keep your account information current and make sure your contact details are available for account access and verification. First, go to Alibaba.com and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open the account menu where you can access your personal settings and account details. From that menu, click on Account. This takes you into your account management area where Alibaba stores your main profile and security information. On the account page, go to Account Information. This section contains the details connected to your profile, including the contact options you can edit. Next, click on My Profile. Once you're there, look for the pencil icon, which is the edit button. Click that icon to begin making changes to your profile information. This opens the editable version of your account details so you can update specific fields. Now locate the phone number section. In that area, click Add. If no number has been added yet, this is where you'll begin entering a new contact number. Before Alibaba lets you make this kind of change, you may be asked to verify your identity for security reasons. Complete the identity verification step when prompted. This is a standard protection measure designed to confirm that you're the account owner. After that, Alibaba may send a verification code to your email address. Go to your email inbox, find the code, return to Alibaba, and enter it in the required field. If you don't see the message right away, it can help to check your spam or junk folder and wait a moment for delivery. Once your identity has been confirmed, you'll be taken to the page where you can add the phone number. Enter the phone number carefully, making sure the country code and number are correct. It's a good idea to double check for any typing errors here, since this information may be used later for login recovery or account security. After entering the number, click Continue. That completes the process of adding the new contact to your Alibaba account. And that's it. Your new contact information has been added through your profile settings, and your account details are now more complete and up to date.